Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to make relative axis values to 0. Press position button. Press all soft key. Press OPRT soft key. Press origin soft key. Press all axis soft key. You can see that the values of all the axes has been set to 0. Now we will see how to make individual axis 0. Press all axis soft key. Press OPRT soft key. Type X 0. Then press preset soft key. You can see that only x-axis is set to 0. Type Y 0. Then press preset soft key. Type Z 0. Then press preset soft key. Thank you for watching the video.